Welcome to my channel! Nice to have you here! My name is Reina and I'm a cosplayer, and today I'm going to show you how to do this makeup look for Star Guardian Ahri. Well, as you can probably see, it's not quite Ahri's makeup from the splash art or from the concept art. It's more like Star Guardian Ahri inspired makeup look. So with that said, let's jump in. Today I'm starting my makeup with the primer, and I'm going to use this toner base to block the redness on my skin. Next I'm going to apply the full coverage foundation by NYX, and I'm going to mix the two colors to get a proper tone. Full coverage foundation can be a bit difficult to work with. If you don't apply it fast enough, it might end up looking patchy, so I prefer to apply it on my nose first, because it's the most difficult area, and then put it on the rest of my face. Next I'm going to apply the finishing powder by NYX under my eyes to prevent the creasing. And I'm applying the same finishing powder on my forehead, on my nose and on my chin. Now I'm going to do the eyebrows. Ahri has blonde hair on the concept art, so I want to make my eyebrows just slightly lighter, like the light brown. And first of all I'm using the eyebrow pencil. Next I'm applying the clear eyebrow gel. That is not quite clear anymore, but... Next I'm applying the fixing gel. And then I'm using the light brown eyebrow shadow on top and slightly feathering it out. It's time for the eye makeup, and first of all I'm going to use the shadow and liner primer by NYX. It's important to use just a bit of this base, otherwise the eyeshadow might crease. And also it's important to feather it out just a bit around the corner, otherwise the edge would be way too sharp. And also look down while it dries, otherwise it would crease. I want to make the same color gradient as on my tails, so first of all I'm using this light yellow eyeshadow in the inner corner. And feathering it out like this. Next I'm taking a darker eyeshadow, this one, and blending it in. Then I'm taking the dark yellow eyeshadow and placing it right next to the lighter yellow. Next I'm taking the orange eyeshadow and blending it with the yellow eyeshadow. Then I'm taking coral eyeshadow, this one, and placing it next to the orange eyeshadow and blending them together. The last color in this gradient would be pink. Next I want to draw a line right here as if I'm doing a cut crease, and I'm using this liquid eyeliner. And I'm going to draw a straight line downwards. And I'm also going to draw 3 eyelashes in the outer corner. Next, I'm also drawing a line under my lower lash line, and I'm drawing it slightly lower than my lower lash line in the outer corner, then going straight under my lower lash line in the middle, and then going lower again. And I'm also extending the inner corner of my eye. Then I'm drawing a line above my lower lash line and drawing a wing. Next I'm using this mascara by Vivienne Chabot on my upper and lower lashes. Ahri is wearing the eyeliner in the outer corner of her eye right here, so I'm going to use this eyeshadow to draw this line. And I'm taking this eyeshadow on a flat brush and placing it right here. And also placing it under my lower lash line. I'm also going to take a dark brown eyeshadow and make this line slightly darker around the eyeliner. I've got fallout right here, so I'm going to gently brush it off, like this. This cosplay desperately needs sparkles. So here comes my glitter palette. First of all, I'm taking this silver glitter and placing it in the inner corner of my eye. And I'm also placing it on my crease. Next, I'm taking the golden glitter and putting it on top of yellow eyeshadow above the line. The next will be this orange glitter. And finally, I'm taking the pink one. The downside is that it covered these eyelashes, so I'm going to draw them out with the eyeliner again. For this line right here and for my lower lash line, I'm going to use these glitters. So I'm taking pink and putting it on top of this line. And also under my lower lash line in the outer corner. Next, I'm taking orange glitter and placing it below my lower lash line in the middle. Next, I'm also using the yellow glitter. If you're using the same glitters, you should look up until they dry completely, especially around the inner corner, because otherwise it would crease and spread down. Next, I'm also going to use the white eyeliner on my waterline and below my lower lash line in the outer corner. And I'm also covering the eyelashes right here. Now I'm taking this silver glitter and placing it in the inner corner of my eye. Finally, it's time for the false eyelashes. So I'm going to use these ones. They get longer towards the inner corner, which is exactly what I need for the fox. And if you don't mind, I'll do it off screen. That's it for the eye makeup. Let's move on to contouring. First of all, I'm using the pink blush. Then I'm going to use 3 steps to sculpt by NYX, starting with the contour shade. And I'm placing it below my cheekbones and blending it with the blush. Then I'm also placing it under my chin. Then I'm taking the highlighter shade from the same palette and placing it on the bridge of my nose. Then I'm taking the contour shade on a smaller brush and contouring my nose, extending the contour shade towards my brow. Then I'm taking the highlighter shade again and placing it on the side. And also right here, because I've put too much contour shade here. Then I'm also taking the bronzer from the same palette and placing it on top of the contour shade. We're almost done with the makeup and I'm going to do lips right now. And I'm going to do the standard pink lips. First of all, I'm outlining my lips with the pink pencil. And then I'm using the pink lipstick. At last, I'm going to use the illuminating fixing spray. So that was my Star Guardian Ahri makeup tutorial. Leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel for cosplay tutorials. Also check out my Ahri cosplay transformation video right here. And I hope to see you in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye.